You are now live. Okay. Hello. Hello. What's up? The 18 core. The 18 core has arrived. The 10 core has been great, but the 18 core has arrived. In fact, I don't know if it says it. Doesn't say it anywhere. I think it'll say it in the box, but let's do our little unboxing. It's very satisfying. Okay. This is a really heavy box. Like this part right here that they use to pack it in, really dense. So the box, even when it's empty, is really heavy. But let me find a way to mount this tripod real quick. Is that? I think that might work. Power cable. You've probably seen an iMac Pro or an iMac unboxing before. This is very similar. How do I? This is a power cable. It's black. Remember? But otherwise, it's pretty similar to the original iMac power cable. It's pretty great. It's not more powerful than the 10 core's power cable. This is the, oh nice, it was upside down. Accessories come in here, this long box. Pretty standard stuff. Black Apple cable back here. If I can get my fingernail back there. Black Apple cable. Nice. Black Apple stickers. Confirmed somewhere in here. Oh, black microfiber cloth also, remember that? And then black Apple stickers. For those of you who like collecting or putting them on your water bottle or whatever. But then the iMac itself. It's pretty shiny. Please taste it for what is the taste of it. I don't think it's going to taste any different from licking a piece of metal. But very shiny. Jeez. And I guess I can take this last bit, more cores. Yeah, okay, so basically the reason we have this here is performance. We're using lots of very heavy footage, and the more cores, the better for things like Final Cut Pro for things like rendering out videos as quickly as possible, for things like playing back footage that's really high bitrate. This thing should be pretty sweet. A lot of people want to know what the best iMac Pro to get is, and honestly, if you're looking to decide like what upgrade to get, I would probably go base model and then go to the 10 core. If you want to upgrade the RAM, that's probably the only other thing you really should upgrade, because obviously this machine is not upgradable after you buy it. So what you choose to upgrade on day one is pretty important. I don't know how many 18 cores were sold, but this is one of them. Pretty sure Justine she just did her video, so that's 2. Somebody said only 10 of these were sold. I don't think that's true. I'm not going to touch that screen. That's going to be flawless. That's going to be flawless. That's Reflection City. But there you go. There you have it. That's what an iMac Pro looks like straight out the box. TLD. Oh yeah, didn't John get an 18 core also? So that's 3. They're out there. Super shiny. Look at that. That is shiny. So this is going to be the machine that replaces the one that I've been using. And I'm pretty sure the review is going to come out pretty shortly after I figure out the differences and just how good this is versus the 10 core. But that's basically the next thing we're working on. I like that this goes flush. I wonder if I can show it to you without dropping my phone. So this power cable, when it plugs in through this this back slot here, can I do this? Oh man, well, here you go. Bam. Flush against the back. The one thing, oh, I haven't showed you guys this. So obviously all the ports are on the back of the iMac Pro. Actually, I did show you on Instagram, I'm pretty sure. But that means when you're sitting over here and you want to plug in an SD card slot, you got to be like, where is it? Is it back here? It's over here. It's kind of annoying. So what I got was this Satechi hub that goes on the front of the iMac Pro. There's a cable that comes around, plugs in the back, plugs into one Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port, and gives me Thunderbolt 3, 3 more USB, SD card slot, micro SD card slot, and I don't have to check the back over and over to try to make sure it's plugged in correctly. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. It does plug into the speaker of the iMac Pro, but I don't use the iMac Pro's speakers that much, so it's cool. We're good. Oh wow, look. Launch auto sequence initiated. I'm gonna watch that rocket launch today. But anyway, that's what's going on. We're going to start setting this one up. Wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Any questions, comments, concerns? Hi. Sir, hello. Space Gray Accessories couldn't save it from the terrible charging design of this mouse. Couldn't save it. Hello, hi, a lot of emojis. That's good. What's the color palette on the desk? Oh, that's literally a color calibration chart for a camera. So they're all matte, very non-reflective, and it's a standardized chart. So if you plug this into a video editing plugin, they'll all recognize this and be able to white balance correctly, which is pretty awesome because I'm not the best colorist on planet Earth, and this makes us better at that. Guess I didn't get the trackpad, huh? RIP. No Space Gray trackpad. Do you hate Apple or love Apple? I don't think either. I think I'm somewhere in between. When will you review the HomePod? Oh, as soon as I get my hands on one. So I ordered one. It's coming in the mail in the next couple of days. I'll get it. I'll get my hands on it. There's a couple really good videos out there right now. The Verge's review is great. John Morrison, TLD, did a great video with his, so you should check those out. Judner, Your Average Consumer, had a little hands-on as well. Justine did a video. I don't think I'm going to get this on. But I didn't get one, so I will be waiting until my review unit, or my purchased unit comes in. Do you know to weigh? Of course I know to weigh. Wait. The bottom of this is black? Has that always been? I don't remember that being. Wow, okay. I forgot that was black on the bottom. Cool. Great. The bottom is black. Fantastic. All right. Very busy. No way. Red. Not a whole lot of red, except for the footage. Google HomePod versus Google Home Max. I will be comparing those things too. Google Home Max. There it is. HomePod is like tiny compared to the Home Max. Like, you saw John's video, right? It's the size of an iPhone. At least the height of an iPhone. Like, it's impressively small. That's going to be interesting to see in the video if it sounds as good as the Home Max that's 3 times the size. Oops. Oh, that's barely not. No, that's not going to reach. I'll probably have to plug it in later. Yeah. Get that power cable going.
Oh, I actually think it's behind you.
Oh, one of these. Oh, boy. All right. Not a whole lot of cable management happening with an iMac Pro. You just kind of plug it in, and everything's wireless. What are you looking for in the upcoming Galaxy S8? I'm assuming you mean Galaxy S9, in which case the camera looks to be the most interesting thing. There we go. Boot up time, it's the first boot, so it's not going to be fast. But obviously the SSD is silly fast, so that's pretty much a given. But yeah, I think that's about it. That's about it for the iMac Pro unboxing. 18 cores. Looking forward to benchmarking it and putting through its paces and actually editing videos on it. Until then, thanks for watching this Periscope Live. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.